In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a Google Cloud account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to cloud.google.com. Then from here it should look something like this. Here you can see you can build what's next, and you can get started for free to get $300 in free credits. From here you'll simply need to click get started for free, and then from here you'll need to sign in using your email address. Once from here you'll simply need to click next to get to the next page. Once from here you'll need to sign in using your Gmail account. Just click next and then enter in your password. Once from here you simply need to click continue like you normally would, then click all of that. And then from here it should look something like this where you can add a recovery code if you want to do that. And from here it should look something like this where you can see the console.cloud.google.com will pop up. Here you'll need to enter in your country, so just choose the specific country that you're living in and click agree and continue. Once from here, it should look something like this where you can add a step 2 out of 2 payment information where you'll need to add in your payment method. From here, you'll simply need to add in your credit card or debit card, and don't worry, it will not charge you anything until you actually open up a VM or SQL and all of that. You'll just need to enter in your credit card details and then click start free down here. From here, you'll be able to go into the dashboard and then begin using Google Cloud Console. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!